Hi guys. Hello with our brand new fault solution video. The working principles of all smartwatches are the same. Regardless of the brand and model of your watch, I would be very happy if you write your questions and thoughts in the comments. The brand of our watch can be Apple Watch, Haylou, Motherboard, Honor, Huawei, Amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. Our watches may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. In this video, we will talk about a problem that many watch users face or may encounter. Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple.
Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. If this video doesn't help you fix your watch, watch our step 2 and step 3 videos. I look forward to your questions in the comments.
Then it was the turn of the back cover. The back cover should be removed gently. We will open the back cover by freeing it from its nails. It should not be forced when opening, otherwise we may damage the nails. In order not to damage the keys, we should start to turn on the reverse side of the volume and on-off keys. In order to reach and detect the defective part of our device, we first disassemble the device. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
We take out our battery and check it, and there is no heating or swelling in our battery. I think the problem is elsewhere. After our device waits for a while on charge, we try again. And you should see the result.
You can remove our battery from the direction you see with the help of the separator and insert the new battery. It was a very successful work.
Yes, friends, now we will take out the battery of the device we disassembled. Touch the plus and minus poles of the battery on the motherboard with a conductive material and make it short circuit. In this way, we will reset the electricity on the motherboard and reset the device. This process commonly solves the fault.
By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
As of now I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection, we connected with the adapter, and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course we will not give up.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.
you